First, open Zyndora.in your browser. Then, from the top menu, click on Events to see the list of all upcoming programs. Scroll down and locate the event you want to attend. Once you find it, click on the Register button under that event. This will open the registration form. This is the event registration form. We'll now fill in each section one by one and then complete the payment. Start by entering your full name, email address, and mobile number. Make sure these details are correct, because your confirmation and any event communication will be sent here. Next, provide your academic details, such as institution name, department, and year of study. If you are a professional or faculty, choose the appropriate option from the drop-down. If this form supports multiple events or tracks, make sure you select the correct event name and session timing so your registration is recorded properly. Fill in your address and any additional details requested. If you have a referral or coupon code, enter it in the given box before proceeding to payment. Here, you can see the registration fee. Choose your preferred payment method, such as UPI or card. After clicking Pay, you'll be redirected to a secure payment gateway. Complete the transaction there and wait until you are automatically brought back to the website. Check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Before submitting, quickly review all your details. Then click on the Submit or Pay and Register button to complete your registration. You'll see a confirmation message. You should also receive an email with your registration details. If you don't receive any confirmation, but your amount has been debited, contact the support team with your payment proof.